Prepare the following tools first. Open the battery cover and disconnect the battery power cable. Remove the rubber cap from the module and unscrew the fixing screws. Remove the rubber caps on both sides of the module camera and unscrew the fixing screws. Lift upwards to remove the camera module. Unplug the connector for the light board, but do not unplug the other connector. Unscrew the screws securing the camera and disconnect the connector. Insert the new camera module into the connector. Place the fixing plate and tighten the screws. Connect the connector. Align it with the camera module and press down firmly. Tighten the camera securing screws and reinstall the rubber cap. Tighten the module securing screws and reinstall the rubber cap.